Hello everyone, in today's video I'll give you 5 reasons to start your publishing business on Amazon Kindle's Direct Publishing and show you how to start your publishing business with free resources. If that interests you, I want you to stay until the end. Subscribe to my channel to learn more on how to make money from the comfort of your home using just your creativity and talent. The first reason why you should start your publishing business today on KDP is because you will have access to Amazon Global Market. Currently, KDP is available in over 200 countries and territories. That means you'll be able to reach people all over the world by just being on Amazon platform. According to SimilarWeb, Amazon is visited by more than 2 billion people every month. Having the opportunity to be in front of this huge traffic is incredible by itself. Wait, there is more. The second reason why you should start your publishing business on KDP is because it is free. No startup cost is needed to start your KDP publishing business. This is how you do it. You just need to create an Amazon account. To create your Amazon account, go to kdp.amazon.com. Then you will see a screen like this, and just by using your email address, you'll sign up. Once you have an account, log into your KDP and start setting up your publishing business. It's that easy. The third reason why you should start your publishing business on KDP is because it doesn't require for you to be an aspiring author. A lot of people are making a good amount of money every single month by just publishing lined books without even writing a single word. Here is a perfect example that I found when I hover over on Amazon site while I'm doing my research. As you can see, this person is doing great using just this method. He created this vintage beautiful covers for one college ruled composition notebook interior design. According to TCK is a Amazon book sales calculator. This is how you calculate the number of the book is ranked by Amazon, shows the number of sales that book is making. So it will calculate for you how much is this book is selling every day and every month. Then you take that number and you multiply by the royalties this book is getting. So according to TCK calculator, he is selling about 227 books of this single book and making more than 300 from just only this book. This guy has 73 similar books under his profile with this brand name. So you can imagine the rest. If you have more than 10 books that is performing well like this one, you can multiply 300 by 10. So he's making about 3,000 per month. So as I observe also, these books are ranking good for this category. This is just an example, one example. There are a number of people doing the same thing to make passive income using Amazon KDP platform. Here you have it. This model is proven and it's becoming successful, and many people are attracted to this business model. I think you should start your publishing business. What do you lose by starting? But however, I just want you to take this information with a grain of salt, because to get a result there are other components that come into play, like paid advertisement and market research, and the quality of the book that you created play a role for your success. But for now, your goal is to start. Once you start your publishing business, you'll learn everything you need to do to create success for your business. As I promised for you to start today, I will give you a PDF file 120 college ruled lined book interior and a cover template that you can edit by yourself on Canva. Then you can start uploading today your books and start making money and start your publishing journey today. That is what is required from you just watching after this video. So the link is in the description below if you want to continue and make a publishing business one of your passive income stream. The fourth reason why you should start your publishing business on KDP is because you can do this business from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your home. Of course, if you have access to internet, a laptop, and able to provide a receiving bank account to receive your money, you can set up this another time. It's not a requirement to publish the book you have created, but in the meantime it is required for you to receive your sales. If you don't have a receiving international bank account, you can create a receiving bank account by using Payoneer for free. I use Payoneer also for my online businesses. You just have to pay for the transaction fee when it happens, when you sell or when Amazon transfer your money. They will deduct $1 or so from your transaction, but it will give you an access to have a US bank account, a UK bank account, Australian, wherever you want your bank account to be. You can use my referral link on the description below to get your international bank account for free without depositing anything. The fifth reason why you should start your publishing business on KDP is because once you do the work, it will live on Amazon catalog and will generate passive income stream while you are sleeping. I'm just here scratching the surface. The opportunity is huge with creating low content books. If you are not familiar with the term low content books are books that don't have any word or written content. Books like, as I showed you on the example, logbook, notebook, etc. These are books that are filled by customers. So there you have it. 5 reasons why you should start your publishing business today on KDP. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and start reaching people all over the world. One quick note, I have a step-by-step guide to edit the cover page on my landing page. So use the Canva link I provided for you. If you don't have a Canva account, you need to sign up to edit the templates. Canva is a free online graphic design company. So you can create a free account on Canva and use that free account to create more books for your KDP self-publishing business. I know you are getting a ton of value from this video, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I'm publishing new content like this to help me grow my channel. So stay blessed and keep creating, my friends. Until next time, bye bye.